welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. In today's video, we are going to be looking for more high-end home decor dupes. You guys loved my last dupes video and wanted to see more, so that is what we are going to do today. I have seen so many high-end stores feature these wooden horses on a stand, and when I saw this one here at Ross, I thought total score, and it was only $14.99, where you could have found a similar one from Wayfair for almost $60. Also, I love a good magnifying glass. I think it just elevates the space when it's laying on a book, and anything nautical for summer. So in today's video, that is what we're going to be doing, looking for high-end decor dupes on a budget. So if you're looking for some home decorating inspiration that won't break your bank, just make sure you keep watching. All right, friends, we are back from our shopping adventures, and let me show you what I picked up. All right, so this is how my dining room table is looking. I showed you guys this tray. It's not actually a tray. It is it was a picture that came from Hobby Lobby that we painted out black to use as a tray. So another way to get a high-end look, you know, think outside the box. So that's what we did here. And then I have these 3 vases that I got from IKEA several years ago that I decorated the table with. I just used some florals that I already had. And so this is how the table has looked for the last few months. But now we're going to switch it up, and I'll show you what I picked up. All right, guys, here is this week's high-end dupe find. So this is very similar to the candle holder centerpiece that I showed you from Pottery Barn, and I will put up that photo here. It was very, very pricey, and we are getting a similar look from Ross for just $21.99. Yes, this little baby was on clearance. I've seen this a few times when I have gone to Ross, and I never picked it up, but I thought it would be a great centerpiece. And when it finally went on sale, I was thinking, today's today. So we did go ahead and pick it up. Now, do I use it as a candle holder, or do we put florals inside? So my thought was, let's add some succulents to it and see how that looks. So I am going to put up that inspiration photo here from ChatGPT. And then I also asked ChatGPT to show me what this would look like with some black candles inside, and then with some white candles inside. So I don't know what I'm going to do. Leave me a comment down below. Should I put in the succulents, the black candles, or the white candles? But I think this was an excellent find and an excellent high-end decor dupe. All right, so I have shopped my home and I have brought out some succulents to style in the centerpiece for summer. I love the look. I love the simplicity of it. Very, very nice. I think what I need are some smaller pebbles, like some black river rock. I have some larger ones that I was going to do similar DIY with the black tray that I never got around to, but I think I love this look. I will put up a photo here of how it looks with the river rocks. This is what ChatGPT came up with, and I absolutely love the look. I don't have any white or black candles, but I think I might order some from Amazon. But I think this is the perfect look for summer. I think, though, I should get a black table runner for this to sit on. Or should I leave it plain? Am I overthinking? I don't want to overthink it, but I think I need a black table runner. Leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Maybe like a black tweed, or I don't know, something with some texture. I don't know, to give the table a little more substance. But maybe once I put the black river rocks in it, I will change my mind and I don't need it. So I think I'll hold off until I get some river rock, if I could talk, hold off until I get some river rock to go in here. But for now, I absolutely love the simplicity. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. But yeah, this is what I picked up. Again, very similar to the piece from Pottery Barn. And I'll put up that inspiration photo here. And we only picked ours up for $21.99. A great deal. And again, this is a high-end dupe, or giving us the look of a high-end dupe for less. So always think outside the box when you are out shopping. Again, look to your high-end stores for inspiration. And then as you go about your shopping, look for items that are very affordable that can give you a similar look. Like I said, I saw this at Ross several times in the past. I never picked it up, but when I saw it today and it was just $21.99, I had to go ahead and get it. And I think it's the perfect addition to the table for summer. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video inspiration and it has inspired you in your home decorating for the summer. If so, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEmystyle family. I have lots of friendly, budget luxury, home decorating inspiration coming your way that you don't want to miss. And with that, my friends, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.